Hi, welcome to Savvy Home Sellers. My name is Mickey. I'm a realtor here in Huntington Beach, California.
Hey, I'm Laura Palacios, realtor and stager in Southern California.
Today, we have an exciting video for you. It is help. I need to sell my home fast.
There's so many reasons why you potentially could be having to sell your house fast, having to leave your home very quickly, make big decisions, big moves very, very quickly, and you need a realtor and stager that can jump and help you very quickly as well.
Yes. So today's video, we're going to answer all those questions that you have. How do I sell fast? Number one, get help. Ask for help.
That's very simple to do. For me personally, it's not easy to ask for help.
It's not.
But once you've reached out, that was going to be the simplest way to do it.
Yeah. And we say this every time we have a video, is that we're not here to help you spend money, but we're here to help you save money. And a lot of times I would say it's typical to maybe procrastinate and not ask for that help because you think, oh, as soon as I hire an agent, they're going to start charging me or whatever. We're here to help you create a moving plan, get help, sell fast, be as efficient with our time and money.
Yeah.
All right. Number two.
We're going to say it again and again and again.
And again.
Because it's the basis of everything that we do. Mm-hmm. It's the 4 Ds.
The 4 Ds.
You want to get your home depersonalized, decluttered, deep cleaned, and designed.
Yeah, definitely. And
should we explain that?
Nah.
Consult our 4 Ds video.
I will put a link in the description so you can go to that video so you know exactly what the 4 Ds mean. Depersonalization, declutter, deep clean, and design. And we do go into those details because that's the bonus D. We go into the details.
Alert.
Spoiler alert. That's the bonus D for that video. All right. So the third thing is our quick improvements, like making repairs. Again, I think you should be consulting, getting help, and we can help you find that contractor, that handyman that can come in and make those quick repairs, easy repairs, not like I'm not going to remodel the whole house.
Right. Like, do you have to get new countertops in order for the house to sell at a higher price?
Or even just paint.
Paint's
the best ROI.
It takes it's not easy to make those types of decisions and have the discernment to know what are things that are worth making the investment on or not. And that's assuming that you're going to put your money as the initial investment for those repairs. Remember, there are programs that help you with this.
And I would say with regards to quick repairs, you could, because this is, I need to sell my home fast. What you could just say is as is. And then you can even have your agent put in the private remarks that there's going to be a credit to buyer for carpet, credit to buyer for paint or something like that. There you go. Quick, how to sell my home fast. I need to sell my home fast. Okay. All right. So I have a question for Laura in this help I need to sell my home fast video. Okay, how quickly can a typical family go from living in their home, then having it hit the market? Realistically, is it 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks? Oh, I want to know from the stager's point of view.
If the house is stage ready, let's say, because some houses are, then I would say 3 days. That's the fastest you can list from actually listing or taking pictures, getting the house ready, taking the pictures, and getting it listed. 3 days is reasonable.
Yeah.
But very fast.
Yeah, I think that 3 days is fast because I personally, as a realtor, I want 2 weeks. The reason I want 2 weeks is because I need to schedule my photographer. And you mentioned in the last video, like we use different photographers. We really don't. Sometimes that photographer is not available when my customer is available. And so I have my backup and I have my backup to my backup. So I have to, it's my schedule, your schedule, the photographer's schedule. Maybe that handyman, same thing. If I'm hiring a handyman, my stager, I got to fit into her schedule. So cleaning, my cleaner. So when you think about all of the things that you need to do to get the home ready, then that puts me out at 2 weeks. And then I really honestly want 2 weeks to do marketing because I want to get it ready for the MLS. We really, according to the contract, have 17 days to do a coming soon. So I want to already start marketing that property. And so for me, maybe 17 days is the sweet spot because I could potentially put a picture on the MLS, start marketing it, and then we can get all the work done. And then we could say, this is our grand opening day, our twilight open house. We call the neighbors or contact all the neighbors and let them come see it. I mean, I like
that. I think that's really great. I would go with that. Yeah. Like for most houses, 2 weeks seems so reasonable and it gives us the best chance to prepare and do everything we need to do to get that house looking right.
Yeah.
and listed right and everything.
And-
you know, 3 days could be a little rushed, and then you might miss some things, or you're just not quite happy with the way something goes because, yeah, you didn't have enough time to prepare. So, you know, I say 3 days for an extreme purpose, but
for the need
but
to sell
2
my
weeks
home
is
fast.
a really nice sweet spot.
And I mean, we could do a whole nother video on what goes into place during those, we'll call it 17 days, but you want the expert, your realtor, your stager, the people who are on their team to be able to do their job effectively. And that is really going to get your home sold fast.
Yeah.
Right. And
Yes.
if your home is ready though, I'd say, 3 days, but if it's not ready, give me 2 weeks.
Yeah. That seems like enough time to contact the contractors. You know, if one's not quite available right now, you have the backup. That's I think that's perfect.
Yeah. And
An expectation.
One thing I do too, when I sit down with my seller, I have a sheet of paper that goes through those dates. Like if they, you know, what day are we gonna have cleaning day? What day is staging day? What day is our launch day? Or I like to call it our live day. What day are we going on as active on the MLS? Like what day are we gonna do our open house? So we work on all of those dates in our consultation, you know, and then that way they have that realistic expectation. I've had clients come to me and they're like, well, we're going to travel through Europe, but we want our house sold by this date. We want to be in our new house. And it's like, let's work backwards. And then they freak out because they don't have enough time.
You would be shocked at how often people go on vacation while they're listing their home. Maybe they're thinking, oh yeah, well, I don't need to be there anyway because I need to get out of the house. But you need to be consulted with on a daily basis almost. So I would suggest don't do that. Yeah.
No vacations. Just kidding. Take as many vacations as you want, but plan ahead, consult your expert, consult and do that timeline. You know, I can sell your home fast for sure, and for the right price. That's another thing that's going to sell your home fast. But you want to plan ahead, and although we can sell your home fast, and these are ways that you can sell your home fast, you really want to put these things on the calendar. Get your home ready. Consult your experts right here.
Set yourself up for success.
Yes.
Not for failure.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys supporting us. Like and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with anyone out there that needs our help. We're here to help.
We can't wait to meet you and see your home and help you with your plan.
See you soon. Hey, thank you for including savvy home sellers in your next home selling project.
See you next time for more information on how to get your home ready to sell.
Like and subscribe.
And follow us for more savvy home seller content.
See you soon.